Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Xiaomi 12T Pro. Switch off the Xiaomi 12T Pro by pressing the power button. Hold down the power button and volume up button simultaneously. Release only the power button when the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen. But keep holding the volume up button until the recovery mode activates. In the recovery mode menu, use the volume rocker to navigate and select the wipe data option. Then press the power button to accept. Choose the wipe all data operation and confirm by selecting the confirm option. Once the process is complete, navigate back to the main menu using the back to main menu option. Go to the reboot section and choose reboot to system. After the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.